In this demo, we show how to use View Expert manual repair tools for repairing a 3D model for printing. When the automatic repair process fails to fix all the problems in the model, you need to use the manual tools to fix those problems. The manual tools can be used also in a semi-automatic process where both the automatic repair process and the manual tools are used together. So let's first open a model for repair. In this demo, we use the second model in this folder. We choose the fixed model operation mode to run the verification to see what problems the model has. The verification finds some problems in this model, and by visually looking, we see that there are some gaps. In this side of the model, there are some big gaps. In this part, some smaller gaps. Those should be no problem for the automatic process, but in this area seems to be some duplicate triangles and other kinds of errors which the automatic repair probably can't fix. But let's try that first to see what the result is after the automatic repair. After the automatic process, the status window shows that the model still has some problems. And if we're looking at now, the gaps in the up part and in the lower part have been fixed, but in this area there are some problems the automatic repair couldn't fix. If we select the model in the model tree, we can see in the right side help text window what kind of problems this model has. So there seems to be overlapping triangles, duplicate triangles, multi-edge triangles, and some triangles have inverted normals. To further investigate the problem, we can use the locate errors tool, which is found here in the right side in the fixed model window. With the locate errors tool, you can move between the problem areas, and from the current problem area, the information about this type is shown in the locate errors window, and you can also delete the problem area triangles directly from the tool. When you select the problem area, it is also fit automatically to the screen, and it's shown highlighted with the yellow line around the triangle. Browsing through the 9 problem areas, we can see that 7 areas are here. And there is another place also in the model where is 2 self-overlapping triangles. Let's concentrate first to this area. We can try to fix the problems by selecting the problem triangles here, deleting them with locate errors delete command, and if there appears gaps, then run the automatic repair to close the gaps. So for this area, let's start deleting some triangles which look like causing the problem. this might be a good candidate for that. So let's try deleting that. Look like that made situation better. Then we could try delete this one also. It costs too much triangles to be deleted, so we want to undo this command. So we can go to the edit menu, say undo delete, and we get back to the previous state where the software was. That was deleting too much triangles, so let's try to go the previous problem triangle and delete this one. That looks like make improvement. There are still some gaps left, but most probably the automatic repair can fix those gaps. But for this area, we still need to delete some triangles. Let's try deleting this one. And that was quite successful. That actually fixed all that area. Now looks like here we have only one gap left in this problem area. So next we try to run automatic repair to see if it can fix this area. So we close the locate errors and run the automatic repair. It can be run from this icon here in the fix model window also. And we use the default parameters. So now this area has been successfully fixed, but there are still some errors in the other area we looked before. So let's start locate errors again. Now it shows we have two problem triangles left. We go to the next one. So the problem triangles are here. One is this one and one is this one. And the second one, or actually first one in the numbering, looks like quite thin triangle. So this would be good candidate for the causing the problem. So we try deleting that one. So now that's gone, but we have still one gap left. But the gap could probably be fixed by the automatic repair. So let's run that again. And now the automatic repair succeeded to fix the whole model. So we have now a printable model, which is shown in the model tree by the green symbol and also in the help text area with the text cell can be saved and then printed. And if we look the problem areas here, we see that we managed to also to keep the original shape of the model and not cause on any problems by changing that too much. So this way the locate errors tool and its delete command can be used together with the automatic repair process to repair more difficult models.